This home is proudly listed by Becky and Ryan Belk of Keller Williams Preferred Realty. Becky and Ryan make selling or buying real estate easy. Please enjoy touring this home and text or call 919-201-8278 to see this wonderful home in person. Wonderful country home offers so much. Enjoy privacy at its best. 3-bedroom/2 bath with brand new carpet and brand new paint. Great split bedroom floor plan and room for everyone in this affordable and well-maintained home west/NoHoA. All appliances remain. Secluded lot has clearing in backyard for playing and shade in the front yard, too. Open floor plan. Beautiful fireplace. Storage building and overhand. Fire pit in natural patio area. Space for chickens and